Day 4 Hot Rod Power Tour. We're somewhere in Alabama. We actually went a little bit off the route to Tim Wellborn's Muscle Car Museum. My dad's known Tim for a long time, and we've had lots of his cars at this show, so I've never been here. My dad's been here a bunch of times. I'm pretty excited to get a tour of his museum, check out all the cool stuff. Then from here we head down south to Pensacola. Subscribe if you aren't already. Got a lot of more Power Tour content coming up and that kind of stuff. Really in real life, but Tim liked it, so he made it. It's so cool.
And I fumble. Boys, I've been drinking for days. Well, I stagger and I fumble. Boys, I've been drinking for days. And the reason I'm drinking, my woman got some low down ways. Want me, baby, you ought to tell me so. If you don't want me, baby, you ought to tell me so. I'll get my trunk and my clothes, and out your door I'll go. Baby, what you think of me? You ain't been giving me no rest since I've been in Nashville, Tennessee. gonna sing one more verse and I ain't gonna sing no more. I'm gonna sing one more verse and I ain't gonna sing no more. 'Cause my train is here and you know I gotta go.
So this is Tim's private like home garage where he keeps a couple other cars. This is an incredible setup.
You like them on steel wheels? I do. It isn't all good, I look.
That's amazing.
So we just go.
What was the story on this? The history as far as before Steven got it? Do you know?
We're back at the museum. This is like his behind the scenes, just like parts room.
Exhaust systems. It's all NOS stuff.
It's crazy. Holy moly, seats and stuff. Fenders. Original boxes. This is crazy. Oh, here's a light switch.
There we go.
Look at this. Still in the wrapper, 71 Fender.
Look at the body moldings.
Holy
That's
moly.
like titanium, you know, to find those things undamaged. Survived all these years.
NOS roof.
Tires.
There's tires everywhere. This is so incredible. Floor pan. Wow. Quarter panel over there for a 71. This is pretty remarkable. Racks and racks of chrome. All NOS.
Think about how delicate like moldings are and stuff. Yeah. That many.
This is crazy.
'71 through '74. No one cares about
This
that.
is crazy.
It's probably not for sale.
Oh,
Not
I forgot
the
to
current
bring
market
value. I had seen stuff.
All of this. All NOS parts. This is what they call the parts department. None of this stuff is reproduction. This is all original.
No, you're not. It's good to see you.
It is good to see you as well, my friend. I wish it's been 3 years.
Friggin' nuts.
Really, like, I wish I had more time. Never enough time.
I know how that is.
Hey, Ian, have you gone upstairs yet?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's cool up there.
Yeah.
See any fenders out there you might want?
Just a few, huh? NOS still wrapped up.
Mm-hmm.
Don't forget the Firebird. I saw the Firebird back there.
Oh yeah, I saw.
4,482 miles.
Yeah. Is it? Sorry, my bad.
Freaking crazy.
We had a little red express truck here the other day. Him stopping in the group and he said, "Well,
That was an absolutely awesome experience. If you're ever in Alabama, check out Wellborn Muscle Car Museum. Super cool stuff. He says they rotate inventory in the museum regularly. So from here, we're heading to Pensacola for fourth stop of Power Tour. Yeah.
4,482
just left it. We're in the middle of Alabama somewhere, and we were at a gas station, and almost as unbelievable, potentially more unbelievable than getting hit by a dump truck, because there's dump trucks everywhere down here. Some person walked up and she's like, "Hey, are you from that band? What band are you from?" I was like, I don't know, I'm not in a band. She's like, "Yeah, that band, Depeche Mode. You're in Depeche Mode, right?" So obviously I said, "Yeah, of course I am." And I signed a few autographs.
Gave a sticker?
I did give her a sticker that said Dr. Ian Ashton on it. So. It's already 342 degrees. It's a good day. That windshield crack is exactly in my line of sight. So that'll be a pretty fun next 1,200 miles. Power tour is stopping when you see somebody that needs help. Those fellows were all good, so we're back on the road. They have a flatbed coming in just through the serpentine belt, and that car has like an LS6, so they're actually taking it to a dealership to fix it, which I think is kind of a cool benefit of having a modern motor in an old car. Back on the road. We got 140 miles till Pensacola. This is the kind of gas stop that I like. Look at this. We got Michigan Mustang in front of us here. Old cars everywhere. Small repair necessary here. I noticed that one of the lower shock bolts from our newly installed rear shocks had worked its way loose. Easy enough, not even needing the floor jack. You know what? I was gonna say something, not even gonna say it. We made it to Florida, and since I didn't put the toolbox under the seat,
continue straight for 40 minutes to Pensacola Boulevard.
Everything slid forward. I'm fired up. I'm feeling so much better now. Like, that sucks, but that's honestly, car's gonna be better for it. We've met so many amazing people, so we're here, we're having a blast. We're actually in the Auto Biotags booth. If you don't know what this is, it's the coolest product. So this is an NFC and a QR code. So like, all you do is like hold your phone up to this thing, and then it takes you to a website of my car. So all of this stuff, you set up your profile, super cool. If you haven't heard of it, check it out, Auto Biotag. They're like $50, and I think they have like a deal or something if you buy a bunch of them, but super cool. We're gonna try and get them at Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals because it's such a good idea. But anyway, check out Auto Biotag. We're gonna go walk around and check out some cars too. Check out this car from Treadwear. That's so awesome. I should have recorded it, I didn't. I just did a FaceTime call with my kids in Rutledge Wood because they're huge Floors Lava fans. So Rutledge rules, super nice guy. He talked to him for like 5 minutes on a FaceTime call. Just a great guy, awesome. Our power tour experience has turned around 180 degrees from the other day. So super happy.
Maybe.
We saw this guy on the highway. I don't think I had enough time to get the camera out, but this thing rules. I think it got to be like an LS swap or a Hemi. I don't know. It's loud. I love Starions and Conquests. Just one of my absolute favorite cars. It's like another one from my childhood. So that answers that. LS Fest, so it's got an LS. Mercedes turbo diesel, I think. Here. It's got the lawnmower curb. It's closer to where that's awesome.
So is that a Hornet?
Yeah.
Oh shit, I got a pile of Hornets.
That's great. I love the channel too, by the way.
Thank you very much.
When an opportunity presents itself, you take it. I think we've created a traffic jam, but I guess I'm all right with that. So that's Power Tour, where are we? Pensacola. Going to head to the hotel, I think, and probably cruise around a little bit before it gets dark out. One of the things we like to do normally is drive around the hotel parking lots and check out cars, but this year that's been hard because the car has no headlight on the driver's side, so we can't really be out after dark. But everybody packed up and left early, so it should be good. We're just walking around hotel parking lots. There's like a bunch of hotels here. So my dad has wanted to eat at Waffle House, he said, at least once on this trip. I don't get it. I think Waffle House is gross. It's not, I don't think it tastes good, and whatever.
Other than that, it's good.
Yeah, I'm willing to do it. So we're at the hotel checking in here in Pensacola, and I said to the lady, hey, how gross is that Waffle House? Like, would you eat there? And she's like, I would drive 20 minutes to go to Waffle House by the beach. That one I probably wouldn't go to. Another thing we've had going on with the Hornet that I haven't put in a video yet is that, like, maybe 50% of the time, 60% of the time it starts fine.
Yep.
And the rest of the time I have to lay on the ground on the passenger side and use this key that I created to jump the starter. So there's
the security system.
Yeah, it's
so
security
don't say
system.
it too loud.
So here's the deal. I haven't told my dad this yet. Here's my proposition. If we walk to the car and it starts with the key, we'll drive somewhere and eat. But if it doesn't, then we'll walk to the Waffle House.
You don't have to eat.
I don't mind. So that'll ensure that it starts, I think, or doesn't start.
It'll ensure something.
All right. Will it start with the key, or do I have to use... I'll show you the tool I devised for this, actually. I wrapped it in it's a 3/8 12-inch extension, and I wrapped it in electrical tape because when it touches the heater, when it touches the header, it arcs.
It's coated tape, though.
So yeah, this is the starter, or the key.
Security system.
Yeah, let's see if it starts. Guess we're walking to Waffle House. That's actually kind of a good thing because now we know the car can't get stolen tonight because it won't start. So the fender is also coming out awesome.
We did.
Pretty stoked on it. Now I'm just yeah, I don't know. I'm bummed that it happened, but this is going to be amazing to hang on the wall. So looks promising. No, it's fine.